Good morning, everybody. So today is the first day of Vlogmas and it's already off to a really bad start. I've been up since 4, which is usually a normal for me, but I have been trying to get my GoPro to work, and that's what I'm filming on right now. It took us 2 hours to get it going, and it is almost 3 hours because it's almost 7 o'clock. So I was gonna show you guys basically my morning routine when I got up at 4 in the morning, but that's not gonna happen. So I'll probably show you guys that tomorrow, but yeah, it's almost 7 o'clock. We're about to let the dogs on a walk and get ready for the day. So if you guys would like to come with me. Okay, so I'm taking my dogs for a walk and I am bundled to the nines because I'm an Arizonan, and if it's 40 degrees outside, it's freezing. So yeah, I'm taking these babies for a walk, and usually I go this early because I have a husky and Arizona weather is still too hot for him even at 40-degree weather. But he's a diabetic, if you guys are new, and because of that I usually have to walk him right after he eats. Sometimes I do it before, but that's at like 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. And I usually do it before he has a shot or after he has a shot, because then it brings his numbers down. So there's a lot that goes into it, but usually I take them on their little walk and my lab goes crazy and my husky's a lot slower. But then after this, then I usually go for my workout. See what I mean? Like, she just pulls. She goes crazy. I always feel bad because my husky's blind and he can't really keep up, but he does his own little thing. He's feeling himself this morning. He usually never trots around like this just because he knows the camera's on him. Okay, so I'm talking to you guys in here because my class is about to start. I have a Zoom class for computers today, so they're out there talking, so I'm trying not to let anybody know what's going on. So really quick, I just want to let you guys know, I know that Vlogmas is all over the place. I'm going to explain it in the next couple clips. You're going to get like bits and pieces, but just in case I can't get everything out or I'm not able to film what I need to film, basically Vlogmas has gotten all messed up, and it's because we haven't gotten my GoPro to work right. And we've tried doing a whole bunch of stuff to it and it's not recording, and then when it does record it shuts off. There's a whole bunch of things. I've tried troubleshooting it and all this stuff, and nothing's working. And I had everything planned for the first day. I had everything planned for the second day. Today's the second day and nothing's working. So tomorrow is Saturday, today's Friday. And we are going to be running up to Vegas because Vegas is the closest like major city to us. And we are going to be buying a new vlog camera and everything else. So I will get back on track with everybody. I'm going to try to film everything in Vegas tomorrow. Hopefully I can get my GoPro to work, at least just for that part. I'm going to show you guys the whole process of us buying a new camera and all that other stuff. I promise I had everything planned, but things, of course, with my luck, are all over the place. And excuse me right now because I'm working out while I'm in class, so I'm going to record all of this. I'm just going to kind of record bits and pieces through this camera, which is my cleaning camera. And I'm going to kind of just set it up and just do random things so that way you guys have something to watch. But I'm going to kind of combine 1, 2, and 3. Days 1, 2, and 3, and then we're gonna pick back up and go for the rest of Vlogmas. If I have to, I'll make up to you guys and we'll go all the way till the new year. So I'm choking on my own spit. But yeah, so basically that's it. So I apologize to you guys. I had this whole thing planned out. I had it planned out months ago, and of course everything just happened. So just stay patient, and yeah, but right now I'm gonna record you guys with me in class and me working out and stuff. So I'm gonna try to get as much as I can for you guys just to have something to watch for the next 3 days type of thing. So really quick, I noticed as I'm editing, you're gonna see me hunching over a lot while I'm riding my bike, and it's because I have really bad cramps at this point. So if that's what you're seeing, I know it looks a little funny, and yeah, I know my getup is a little funny, and it's because when I go for a run, I don't have pants to run in, so I wear my super high socks. These are socks that I had for Halloween. So yeah, so my getup is a little funny, but if you see me bending over, it's because my cramps are hurting really bad at this point. And then you'll see when I do get off of the treadmill like this and I start doing all of this stuff, you'll start to see me moving my mouth a lot. And it's because at some point my teacher had told us that something was closed that I was supposed to turn in, and I completely forgot. And I was stressing out because we're right at the very end. Of course, I got it all taken care of, but you'll see my mouth moving. And I do that when I'm frustrated or when I'm thinking a lot. You'll see it in my cleaning videos too. So as I look at it when I'm sped up, like my mouth is moving and it looks a little funny. So just in case you guys were wondering, like, what is she doing? That's what I'm doing. A lot was going on at this point, and we were all talking about it. So just letting you guys know, the whole mouth movement thing, it's because I was very, very angry and frustrated. So right now for like breakfast slash lunch, wow, I can't talk today. So right now for breakfast slash lunch, I'm just making my blueberry muffins. It's in my breakfast video, one of my breakfast videos. So I'll link that down below. But right now my mom's actually in surgery. She's been under now for about 2 hours, going on 3. And I'm trying to keep myself busy. So she's getting back surgery right now, so I'm a little worried, but I'm trying to keep myself calm and under control. But that's why we're baking. We're keeping ourselves calm. Don't tell her that I'm freaking out, even though she's probably gonna watch this and be like, "You're freaking out? You were telling me to stay calm." I was, but you know, you always have that little bit of fear in your heart. So we're gonna keep ourselves busy and just keep doing a whole bunch of stuff. So I'll just kind of keep the rest of this and make another batch, because I ran out of cupcake tins. I freaking have cramps like crazy, and this is the worst it's been. I'm on the copper IUD, and usually I'm fine. This time I'm not fine. I am in pain. So if you see me just like drop to the floor, that's what's going on. I'm kind of doing one of those things right now where and of course my camera died, but yeah, I'm doing one of those things right now that I bought a crap ton of stuff to film for you guys for Thanksgiving, and then you know, then Thanksgiving actually happened, so I had to make my own Thanksgiving. So right now I just have like random things where there's only like a little bit of everything. So like I have 2 things of coconut oil, and I'm like, forget it, I'm just gonna use it up. I have a thing of like blueberries. I'm like, forget it, I'm gonna just use it up. So right now I'm just kind of just using everything. I have 1 egg in here, and then that's it, I'm done with eggs. So it's like, I'm just trying to find things to do and to make. But yeah, it's really hard to film with this camera because it's so heavy, and I'm trying to give you guys like the vlog experience, but it's a heavy camera. It's gonna make me have an arm workout. And I'm sorry if like I'm very puffy today. My hormones are going insane right now, and I'm super puffy. I'm trying to work out to kind of like reduce that, because it's the only thing, like working out is the only thing that makes my cramps go away. I know that that sounds weird, but it's true. But working out makes my cramps go away, but they hurt so bad that I can't move. So I'm like, and I've never had cramps before. Like I was the chosen loved one when I was growing up and stuff, before I got on birth control, because I didn't have, like, I had like a 3-day or never had cramps, nothing. I had no issues. And then, you know, you get married, you get put on birth control and stuff, and it's like, the hell is this? Why all of a sudden am I getting period pains and crazy? So, you're welcome, hubby. But yeah, so pretty much I'm cleaning up right now, and then I'm gonna keep cooking. As you can see in the rest of the video, I was in class, so I have to go and turn in a few things, because today and tomorrow are the last days that we can turn anything in, and then we have our final exam. And I'm done with computers at that point. And I have next semester, which I'm taking microbiology and chemistry. So yeah, you guys are kind of just gonna be with me doing this, and then we're gonna go and do some homework. I might have to wait for my husband to help me with the computer ones, because I am not computer savvy. Yeah, I know. I like grew up in the time frame that we had like technology and but like I suck at computers. I suck at it. So, other than that, like I said, trying to just keep myself busy while my mom is still under, so we'll see how this goes. Like I said, I'm very sorry, you guys. I had everything planned when it came to, you know, the GoPro and everything, and like, I have it all for you guys, and it's not working. I just took the memory card out of it. That's why that thing is there. And the thing is, I love this thing. I love the GoPro, but it's just not working. So I don't know. I think I need to mess with it a little bit more, but I can't afford to be messing with it when I have Vlogmas to do. So yeah, we're gonna run out and go get another one tomorrow. I would go tonight, but I feel bad making my husband drive an hour to then drive an hour back and stuff, especially when he gets off of work, so. Wait, don't let it go! Ah, Evie! She's gonna smack me. This is why I have fuzz. You have fuzz all over your mouth. Hold on, let me. This is why I have fuzz all over my stuff. No, you're cheating. You're cheating. You're cheating. Evie. You're cheating. You block it. Don't hit me! Like that. Hey, stop. Evie, make a mess. So, this is why there's stuff all over my floor. And it's because we play. It's out of focus. It's because we play, and then she does that. And I have to take it away from her all the time. As you can see. That's another toy right there that she's destroyed. And that one over there cannot be bothered.